So after typing Flack run command, let us go to our home page URL. Since it requires login, we have to log in by submitting our name. Let us say my name is Bhima, and it will take to home page of this website. And we can see the existing channel. Say if I close this browser and again open that browser and go to the home page URL, it will take me to the home page URL. And let us go and join the existing channels. One of those existing channels, 100 messages. This 100 messages contains 100 messages. And remember this first message, Kalyan 9. In this website, in this chat box has only capacity to store only 100 messages. Notify that Bhima has entered the channel. And this Krishna says hi, Mahesh says hello. These are the previous messages. Good evening, people. And let us see what happened to the first messages sent by Kalyan. You can see previously there was 9 here, but there is no 9 here. Go on to 10. And if we quit this browser and again open a new window, so we can join on that side window as well. But just it will take us to that previously existing channel. The previously existing channel is 100 messages, and the Bhima can create a new channel for him as well. And here we go. There we have created a new channel for Bhima. Let us go to that side window and go to the home page URL. Let us log in from another account and chat with Bhima in his channel. Let us type Arjun. That name should contain, I intentionally missed U to show you that name contains 5, should contain 5 letters. This is the channel of Arjun. Arjun has to go and join in Bhima's channel. Now Arjun is in Bhima's channel. In Bhima's channel we can see here Arjun is in Bhima's channel, and the second time notified because we have logged in that message. That's why logged from that side window. That's why there are 2 notifications in Bhima's tab. Let us try hi. Arjun says hi. Bhima says hello. And there is a hello message from Bhima as well. And if we zoom in, you can see here the timestamp. See, on the date of June 6, this message has been sent. Let us request Bhima to send that file, please. And Bhima has to send that file. Okay, 1 minute. And Bhima can choose a file from here, chat background, and he can type the send file button, and you can see timestamp here 2017 and the time is 2017. We can see the file sent by Bhima. And not only this, Arjun can create a new channel for him. We reduce the font size of window. This is the Arjun tab. Arjun wants to create a channel with the same name of Bhima. But what happened? The channel already exists. He can't do that. If we want to do that, he can go to that and type a 1, and there is a new channel for Arjun as well. And after doing this, he can successfully log out from this website.